What's up? This is Unique Effects doing a tutorial for square lower thirds. So when you open up the project, you're in the main composition, and this is mostly for previewing the different animation styles. So when you scrub on the timeline, we have them all lined up here. So we can select the style we want to use and also adjust the colors from the main composition here. So if you open up the effects panel on the color controls layer, we have some color pickers here, and we can select the color for the main and secondary graphics here. So let's change these a bit. Let's pick a nice bright blue and something different for the second, so a bit of a light purple. We can also adjust the opacity of the graphics, so you can see they are a bit transparent. So if we scrub on this slider, we can decide how transparent we want them to be. The text will remain the same, and I would suggest keeping this somewhere around 90 depending on the background graphics you're going to use. So let's set this to 90. And now select the style we want to use and customize that. So we're going to go with the title plus subtitle version. So let's delete the rest of these and move this to the beginning on the timeline. And to change the title and subtitle, just open up the composition. In here we have a couple of text layers, so we can just select the layer we want to use, double click, and type in our text. So it comes in lower caps by default, but if you wanted to make it all caps, just enable it from here. And now we can change the font and play around with the character settings. So let's change this to Helvetica and change the type a bit. And same thing with the subtitle, just select the layer, double click it, and let's type in our text, set it to all caps, and keep the current font. So now back in the main composition, we have a finished lower third. So in case we want to create some more, we can just duplicate the composition from in the project window here. So select the composition, go to edit, duplicate, and now we have a second copy. We can open this up, and same thing, double click on the text layer, call this second, and on the subtitle version. And now just bring it in to the main composition, move it on the timeline, and now we have a couple of lower thirds with custom colors and our own text. So this is how you edit the square lower thirds. Thank you very much for the purchase and support. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, you can email me through the profile page on VideoHive or leave a comment on the item page of this square lower thirds project file. Thank you very much.